Hello navigators, welcome back. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about another solver that is present in OpenFOAM. Let me just describe the particular scenario that we want to solve. So far we have discussed that how we can solve two-phase which are miscible, which are immiscible, and we also discussed a solver which is interMixingFoam, in which we can have two miscible liquids or phases and one immiscible with the two of them. Now in real life we may have multiple n number of phases that are present in a mixture and that we want to simulate. In that case, how do we go about it? First of all, let me tell you that there is no such solver in OpenFOAM as far as I know that can solve n immiscible and n miscible liquids or fluids together. In order to simulate this, you have to consider the mixture, the immiscible fluids, as a single fluid which is immiscible with other immiscible fluids. The solver that we are going to discuss today can solve n number of immiscible fluids. Let's get started.
Thanks for watching, and if you like the content of our channel, then please like, comment, share and subscribe.